मानवो येन विधिना स्वस्थस्तिष्ठति सर्वदा तमेव कारयेत् वैद्यो यथग स्वास्थ्यं सदेप्सितम्.
Plants serve as a rich source of bioactive molecules, which are used to treat various diseases in Ayurveda. Properly blended herbal medicine with the right adjuvants gives impressive results by acting at the root cause of the disease. Out of several formulations, asvas and aristas are considered as unique dosage. These are classical liquid dosage forms where an infusion or decoction of natural ingredients are fermented. Asvas or aristas are made by soaking the drugs, either in powder form or in a form of decoction, in a solution of sugar or jaggery for a specified period, during which it undergoes a process of fermentation, generating self-alcohol, thus facilitating the extractions of the active principles contained in the herbal ingredients. The alcohol so generated also serves as a preservative. With the growing need for safer drugs, attention has been now drawn to produce qualitative, effective, and standard Ayurvedic formulations. Hello, and welcome to Agumbe Herbs. Thanks for the social media platforms where companies like us promote their products, showcasing and by sharing authentic, informative videos of crafting Ayurvedic medicine for your knowledge purpose. Today, we will briefly discuss some of the most important Ayurvedic health tonics, Dashmularishta and Balarishta, its health benefits and life preparation, in our standardized GMP plant, which are equipped with multiple extractors and reactors, including food processing machine, fermentation room, bulk storage area, pulverizing section, and more. Let us start from Dashmularishta, followed by Balarishta. Method and preparation of any arishta is same as shown for the preparation of Dashmularishta. Ingredients as per formula keep changing. Dashmularishta is a classical polyherbal Ayurvedic formulation prepared by normal fermentation process. Each ingredient is meticulously selected for its unique properties and combined to create a synergistic formula. More than 50 herbs like bilva, sionaka, gambhari, patla, agnimanta, salaparni, krisniparni, brihati, kantakari, gokshra, chitraka, pushkara, lodhra, guduchi, amnaki, dullabha, khadira, bijasra, haritki, kushta, manjishta, devdaru, vidanga, yashtindu, bharangi, kapita, bibhita ki, punarnava, chavya, Jatamansi, Priyangu, Shweta Sariva, Krishna Jirka, Trivrit, Renuka, Rasna, Pippali, Pramuka, Sati, Haridra, Sata Pushpa, Padmaka, Nakesra, Musta, Kujja, Kakataka Sringi, Jivka, Rishbhaka, Meda, Kakoli, Shira Kakoli, Riddhi and Vridhi. Some of these herbs are first washed, dried and coarsely pulverized for decoction. Water as per prescribed quantity are taken. Quality herbs which were pulverized are added to the water and left to boil in an extractor until the mixture get reduced to 1/4. The reduced herbal decoction then filtered out from extractor and shifted to reactor, further adding jaggery and mixed well with the decoction for several hours and refiltered from reactor using cotton cloth. After the decoction is cooled, natural honey is added and left for hours. The said herbal decoction of an Dashmularista are then moved to fermentation section and filled into the vessel or earthen pots for fermentation. Dhatki flower with fine powder of herbal ingredient as prakshepa dravyas, that is, kankola, ribera, jati flower, lavanga, tvak, ela, tejpatra, nakesra, pippali and katka phala, are added into a fermentation vessel and stirred well. The lid and the edges of the fermentation vessels are sealed with clay-seamed cloth in several consecutive layers and kept for fermentation for 45 days so as to ensure that for the duration of fermentation, a constant temperature is maintained. After a specified period, the lid is removed and the content are examined for completion of fermentation process. Then the liquid syrup of arishta is decanted and strained out. After 3 days, when fine suspended particles get settled down, it is strained again and stocked in a bulk storage room. As per the requirement, Dashmularishta and Balarishta are bottled for further use. Health benefits of Dashmularishta. The two important pharmacological properties of Dashmul are immunomodulator and febrifugal properties. Its beneficial effects in dhatukshaya, dorbalya, weakness of body tissues, and as garbhashay shodhak, cleanser of uterus and vitality booster. It is also very beneficial for women disorders and helps women to keep optimum health. In women, it is commonly used after delivery for the prevention of postpartum problems, including infectious diseases of uterus, bladder, kidneys, backache, fatigue, pain of perineal area, excess discharge, and postpartum depression. It also provides strength to muscles, bones, and ligaments, improves immunity. This extraordinary herbal remedies is not only used for inflammatory conditions, including rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and gouty arthritis, as it helps to deal with constipation, abdominal lump, bloating, flatulence, anorexia, lower back conditions, and inflammation in the pelvic and sacral areas. Dosage: adults 15 to 20 milliliters, along with equal amount of warm water, twice a day, after meals or as prescribed by doctor. Preparation method of Balarishta. Ingredients taken for decoction are bala root and ashwagandha are left to boiled in an extractor, reducing to 1/4 of herbal extract water. Later, herbal decoction is filtered out and shifted to the reactor, adding required quantity of jaggery. Prakshepa dravyas of Dhatki, Sira Vidari, Panchangula Aranda, Rasna, Ela, Rasarini, Lavanga, Ushira and Gokshura are added to this sweet filtered concoction and placed for the fermentation process for around 45 days. Health benefits of Balarishta: extremely beneficial for all types of health anomalies that arise due to an imbalance of the Vata dosha, like insomnia, neural problems, poor circulation, constipation, dry skin, emaciation, headache, lower back pain, poor digestion, and anxiety. Herbs like Ksira Vidari, Panchangula Aranda, Rasna, Ela, Rasarini, Lavanga, Ushira and Gokshura has a potent anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, cardioprotective, anti-paralytic, anti-stress and adaptogenic properties. Balarishta, as the name goes by, gives strength to muscles, bones and ligaments and also offers protection from neurodegenerative disorders. Being a natural vasodilator, it is also used to treat painful muscle spasms, sore muscles, gout, and various arthritic conditions. It is also highly significant in case of different types of paralysis and actively helps in restoring the natural functions of the nerves, providing nourishment to the neurons. The anti-flatulent property of Balarishta reduces the formation of gas in the alimentary canal, thus avoiding bloating, flatulence, and abdominal distension. Being high on fiber, it offers a powerful remedy for constipation and other digestive issues. The antacid property of the herbs prevent the formation of excessive acids in the stomach, thereby treating indigestion and promoting better absorption of nutrients in the body, eventually helping increasing appetite. It is pivotal in treating the common cold, sore throat, cough and flu symptoms. It also actively thins and loosens room particles within the chest and nasal cavities and hence eases breathing and helps the body to get rid of mucus. We have tried our level best to give you a relatively adequate information about Dashamalarishta and Balarishta and its ingredients. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with your friends and close ones. Don't forget to watch our other informative videos on Chavanprash, Shatavari Gura, Supari Pak, Dhanvantari Tela, Bringamlaka Tela, Kumkumadi Telam, Ashwagandhadhi Lahyam and Ashwagandharishta, and more. Thanks for staying connected with us. See you soon in our next highly informative video. Points to be noted before consuming this Ayurvedic herbal medicine. Pregnant women, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. People with diabetics should consider sugar intake and choose sugar-free alternatives if available. Interactions with medications. If you are taking any medications, always consult your doctor before consuming Dashamalarishta and Balarishta. Allergies. Be mindful of possible allergic reactions and stop consumption if any adverse effects occur. Recommended dosage of Balarishta. Adults 10 to 30 ml along with equal quantity of water immediately after meals or as prescribed by doctor. Quality and source. Choose Dashamalarishta and Balarishta manufactured by Agumbe Herbs, which uses high-quality ingredients and adheres to manufacturing standards. Let's end this video with a request to meet you again soon.